All right. So let's say you bought peptide and it has to be reconstituted. This is a 5 milligram size. And here's some reconstitution fluid. This is what we're going to do. Take the top off. Don't need it. Throw it away. The top was already taken off. I keep this in the fridge. You'll use this for many reconstitutions, right? This will fill many vials, right? So I usually use 100 on this one. So I'm going to reconstitute almost everything I'm going to tell you. You'll have instructions on what you're going to do. You'll know for your specific experiment, but I'm going to put 100 units into this, and then the dosing will be based upon that and the calculator that we're going to use. But this is how you actually do it. Amount of air for the pressure. And we're going to go back in that little tiny, there's a whole circle within the circle. See that? Yeah, that's going to be the area. That's right. That's 90 degrees. Go. You don't want to bend that needle. All right. The same thing. I'm just going to gently move it, and you'll see like it becoming this cloudy fluid. So that's your general reconstitution on how you do it.